Hello my lovely friend, let me hope that everyone here is fine. First of all, let me take this opportunity to wish everybody here Happy New Year of 2026. Today we are going to continue with the mathematics sessions. Today we have 3 mathematical problems solved step by step, which is related to the integration, solving equations, and the logarithmic series. Okay, let's go step by step. Let's start on the first equation on the integration. Then on this equation, the question 1, they have asked to determine the primitive function. When you say primitive, is the same as what you call antiderivative function. We have integrand function f of x is equal to 2x over x squared plus 1. We have to imagine which function already have been delivered to get this integrand function. Then this implies that when you go on the next slide, you see we have already what you call identify the method. After getting the integral of a given function, you have to imagine, wow, what method to use. You can simply mark that you can decide to use like integral by party, like substitution method, like even you can use like a partial fraction. First of all, you have to think out which is the best method for this equation. After guessing the method, it will be easy to solve it. That is why I decide here to use derivative. When you take the derivative of denominator, x squared plus 1 derivative is equal to 2x. This simply means that derivative of denominator gives numerator. So very simple. If the derivative of one function give or generate the next one, the other existing function on the given expression, you have to use substitution method. Let's go on the next slide. You see, by using substitution method, let u equal to x squared plus 1. By differentiating on both sides, you will get du is equal to x dx. Then when you find the value of dx will be equal to du over 2x. Then you replace the value of u on the on that slide of when on that slide of integral, and remember that even u equal to x squared plus 1. This simply means that the integral becomes integral du over u. This is very simplest expression on the definition, a basic rule on the basic rule of integral. Integral du over u will be equal to, let's go there on the next slide, will be equal to ln of u plus c. Remember that this c, it is integrand constant. It means that the derivative of constant is always equal to 0. You can't always use the symbols. You can already use your any parameter. Even you can add like is ln of u plus ilobiogo, ln of u plus kalamagi, where kalamagi is integrand constant. You decide to use any constant you want, don't worry. Then let's go on the next slide. Then this will be equal to ln of x squared plus 1, then plus c. Remember that x plus 1 is the value of u. Then the answer will be equal to f of x equal to x squared plus 1 plus c. Do you really know why on the first step we have here absolute value, why here we have a bracket? They are totally different. This simply means that the x squared plus 1 is an even function. This simply is that any value of x you can take there and you replace on the given expression always it is positive. This simply means that to put bracket or absolute value are the same. Thank you very much. This is the first question on integration. Let's go on the next slide. We have the question number 2. Solve the equation. Here we have is x plus 2 times ln x minus 3 equal to 0. When you have this equation, no need to panic. It's very simple. Here we have the product of two functions, where on the right side you have 0. So very simple. If you on the right side you have 0, let's go there on the next slide. We have to use what is called zero product rule. When you have the product of two functions which is equal to 0, every function on the given expression is equal to 0. That is what you call by identical or comparison method. It's the same as zero product rule. Then by setting each factor to 0, this means that the given expression we have is x plus 2 will be equal to 0 and ln x minus 3 equal to 0. Remember that probably x plus 2 will be equal to a, ln x minus 3 will be equal to b. When you want to find out the value of x on the given factor x plus 2 equal to 0, then x will be equal to minus 2. When you go there on ln x minus equal to 0, remember that ln 0 is equal to ln of 1. When you cancel, ln will remain x minus 3 equal to 1, then x will be equal to 4. But you can imagine we have ln on the given expression and you have two solutions. Are those all the value for x? Before concluding, you have to find out what you call domain of definition on ln. Let's go there on the next slide. This simply means that when you find out the domain of ln x minus, the consider is saying that given function must be greater than to 0. This simply means that x will be greater than to 3. That simply means the value of x will varies from 3 up to plus infinity, where 3 is not included on the given solution. This implies that the value of x equal to minus 2 is not belong in the given interval. The value of x will be x is equal to 4 only. This simply means that x equal to minus 2 is already rejected. We have only one solution, which is equal to x is equal to 4. Thank you very much. Let me we have the last part, the last equation, which is say simplify on the given a logarithmic series. We have logarithm 1 over 2 plus logarithm 2 over 3 plus logarithm 3 over 4, then up to logarithm 99 over 100. This is very simple and easy. For example, there is some people which like to face with this equation, and they try to fail. I don't know why. Everything on the logarithm and the exponential function, you have only to obey the fundamental rules or their properties. Let's go there on the next slide. We have using logarithmic property said that logarithm of a plus logarithm of b, for example, plus logarithm of c, this is equal to logarithm in factor a times b times you have only to multiply those given coefficients. Then this implies that on the given expression you have logarithm 1 over 2 times 2 over 3 times 0 over 4 times up to 99 over 100. When you are multiplying, let's go there on the next slide. You have a way to use telescoping product. You have to multiply the numerator itself and denominator itself. will remain those given data. By saying on the equation 1, because we have 1 times 2 times 3, that simply means times 4 times 5 up to 99. This is what you call a geometric series. If it is geometric series, so very simple. It's about for their product. You can try to find out their product will be equal to 1. In the denominator will be equal to 100. Then replace this given expression. We will remain logarithm 1 over 100. Logarithm of a over b, this is equal to logarithm of a minus logarithm of b. This implies that you will remain logarithm of 1 minus logarithm of 100, which is equal to logarithm of 1 to any base is equal to 0, then minus 2. This 2 is come from when you have logarithm of 100 is the same as logarithm of 10 power 2. Then when you use the power laws property of logarithm, you have 2 logarithm of 10 to 10. Logarithm of 10 to 10 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 is 2. We mean 0 minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. The answer will be equal to minus 2. Thank you very much. All the best.